Hey YouTube, Matty Beard back again, sharing more tips and tricks to uplive your life. This week, we'll be trying something new. I'll be doing a short challenge series where every week I'll be posting a new video challenging you and myself to something new. And I encourage you to spend about as much time as this video takes doing these challenges and try doing something to get you out of your comfort zone. So this week, we're gonna start a little slow. As you can see, I'm out for a nature walk. So, what I'll be doing is trying to post a video every week with a new challenge. This could be anything from a workout to a healthy tip to a new little chore to add to your day. I encourage you guys to join me in this challenge series. Get out of your comfort zone and get out and try some cool things. Get out in nature. Look at this, look how beautiful this is. There's no one even out here. Look at this. This is beautiful. So, this week's challenge, every day, get out for a short walk in nature. And it doesn't have to be hours of walking. All I'm asking is spend as much time as you spend watching this video walking in nature. So there you go. There's my short video for the day. I invite you to join me on this challenge series every day, 5 to 10 minutes. Get out for a walk in nature. Maybe try to find something new, something you've never seen before. Be a bit more aware of your surroundings. Take the time to breathe in that fresh air. Stretch those muscles that you may have neglected from sitting at a desk job or working those long hours. Treat yourself to something different. And who knows, you might feel a little better by the end of the week. Maybe you'll start a new habit. Maybe this will be your new thing. Something that you didn't realize you enjoyed doing. So I encourage you, get out, join me, and have some fun with this. This is a proactive series, something a little different, something new, something to challenge myself and you guys as well. So please join me, and I look forward to seeing you guys next week with our next challenge. Thanks, lads.